We are tracking the tropics and watching a wave out in the Atlantic. Could it become our next named storm?
And here's a live look outside right now. Soggy start to the day, and while parts of South Florida are getting a break from the rain, could the weekend still be a washout?
CBS 4 meteorologist Jennifer Correa joins us now with the latest. Jennifer.
What a view, right? Yeah. Quite a different story than this morning. So good afternoon, South Florida. Hey, at least it's Friday. First, let's talk about the tropical outlook. The wave that is over the central Atlantic continues to move west-northwest, getting closer and closer to Lesser Antilles. Looks very disorganized, kind of being split apart. It's running into drier air, some stronger wind shear, but it still has that 40% chance for formation in the next 5 days. This means that the Lesser Antilles should keep a close watch on this. Still known of how strong it will get, but most likely it could become a tropical depression by early next week. The track models take it into the Caribbean. This is by Wednesday noontime, but look how spread out they are. This is very uncertain. So we still have time on our side here in South Florida as it's very far away. We'll be tracking it the upcoming days. And we're still tracking storms out there. This has been a crawl just west of Key West and to the north. Look how gusty these thunderstorms look. Lots of lightning strikes. Not a good idea to take the boats out, though this is still far out west of Marquesas Keys. But to the north, there are a few lightning strikes popping up just north of Cudjoe Key, and this is a view out of Key West. Notice dark looking clouds. That batch of thunderstorms is at a crawl, so it's going to take some time before it gets here, and you know what, it may just fizzle out. So we're seeing some filtered sunshine. We're getting up into the mid 80s at this hour. We'll still keep things cloudy, and we could see some more rain later on.